everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I jumped over here to the factory. I wanted to take a look at some of our prime homes that are coming off the line now. This is a brand new home series that we introduced a few months ago. And what we did was we took the basics of the home, a good quality construction, and put the emphasis on that and kind of backed off on the frillies and stuff so that we could have a good quality home that could fit anyone's budget. So let's go inside and take a look and see what these homes are looking like. So what's nice in this home series, we have plenty of homes that have a front-loaded kitchen, meaning everything is on the right-hand side. So check this out. We've got rustic walnut on the cabinets. You're not gonna see that in the Aspire series. This is a prime color only. We've got a distressed barn look type of wood on the floor. I love that wood. This customer has opted to change things up a little bit. We call this marble on the countertop. As you can see, there's some marbly stuff going through. MDF shaker cabinets. So we have a new innovative way of building cabinets, and the shaker style is actually how the outside is designed. So this home is also going to give you some black knobs. We've got a gas stove available. Island is coming in this home. And on the walls, we've got Patent Beach. If you remember for the last several years, we used Patent Beach quite often. We have retired it and made it available to the Prime Home Series only, but still is a lovely wall. I've always loved the Patent Beach because it blends in very nicely if you're going for a brown look. Now, I've got to tell you guys, browns are coming back. Whites and grays, they're still here, but lots of people want to get that warm chocolatey color and get away from the cool tones. Now, whoever is designing this home or built this home, it's got a little bit of everything. We've got some warm down on the rustic walnut. We've got cool on the countertops with the white marble. But over here, we've got a black Lysola. Remember, this is that textured countertop, and loving that. And then front loaded with 2 windows, so you're doing your dishes, checking out the scenery out there. Heading back, we've got connected right here to the living room. Everything that we need to install your home is gonna be put right into the living room on a piece of plastic. And what's cool about these homes is usually you'll see a different style of insert in the windows, but we go ahead and we just take the Patent Beach and take it right on through to the inside of the windows. This customer has opted for mini blinds as well. It may get a little dark back here, guys. We are not hooked up to electricity. So here is bedroom 2. I just love that floor. It's so pretty. Here's bath 2. Pretty common bath. 30 by 60 tub shower combination, 1-piece fiberglass shroud, so you don't have to worry about any kind of water seeping through anywhere. Here's bedroom 3. Got a back door here. This is the laundry area, a nice spacious laundry area. Panel in the back. And here, now we've got some light. We've got a big window. Primary bedroom. Let me go stand in the other corner so you can check it out. And primary bath attached to it. So we've got a nice big walk-in closet down there. Vanity, mirror. And then this 36 by 60 larger shower than we offer in the Aspire series. 2-seater as well. All of them have 2 seats. We do offer a 30 by 48 that's 1 seat, but very seldom are you going to see that in a floor plan. Heading back to the front, let's just take one last look here. I love these front-loaded homes. Great for lakes. So here you go. Here's an example of a prime home. Give me a call. It's nice weather. We can hang out, chat for a while, take a look at some homes, and have a good time. Thanks for watching. I'm the Mobile Home Mama.